So here it is. It's the meal. It's the box. The Yoyo Expert. I ordered. Oh shucks. So excited. YoyoExpert.com. It's a priority mail. United States Postal Service. Yoyo Expert. By the way, it's Dave. Dave. Say hi, Dave. Dave!
No. Papoy. Papoy? Nasaan na Papoy? Papoy.
Papoy! Papoy, Dave. Papoy. Yeah, Dave. Good boy, Dave. Goodbye. There. Now we're gonna unbox this Yoyo Expert shots. So excited. By the way, it's already unstable. Oh, this is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yoyo Factory Supernova. Supernova. Yeah, Supernova. Oh, I like it. Yeah. Grind machine. Grind machine neon collection. Oh my god. Awesome. Light up 300. Oh. Yeah. Light up 300. Oh, shucks. 5A for 5A. It's the counterweight. The Yoyo. Yes. HOT. The signature Yoyo of Harold Owens. The HOT. It's a Champions Collection. It's black with red splash. Yeah. Oh shucks, this is it. Off-string Yoyo. Go big. Swagger edition. I like it. Yoyo Jam. The choice of champions. Oh shucks. Oh, this is the small one. It's C3 Yoyo design token. It's small. Let's try. What's the performance? It's a freehand. That's a counterweight. It's for 5A also. I bought this for 5A. Yeah. By the way, Yoyo Factory Premium Collection. It's the 888 888. Yoyo Factory 888. Let's unbox it later. Oh, wait. Other Yoyo Jump Classic. I already have one, but I decided to have one also. To have another one. Here is. You're right. It's Proto Star. It's green. Proto Star. Always wanted to test this. Proto Star. Oh, this the Dark Magic 2 Special Edition Black Spade. Just gonna unbox this later. Another 4A of string Yoyo Extreme 2. So big. It's bigger than the Go Big. Yeah. Yoyo Jammer Extreme. It's the Yoyo of oh shucks, this severe. Yeah, severe. Shucks. Signature Yoyo of Signature Yoyo of Tyler Severance. Yes. Yoyo Jump Pinnacle. Another 5A Yoyo with a counterweight dice. Red also. Pinaka Yoyo Jam Pinaka. And then this one in the pouch. It's the Crucial. I think it's the Crucial Ace. Crucial Ace. All you can eat. AYCE. Crucial Ace. Yosh. So good. All here is also starter kit for the Yoyo Factory. It's the Yoyo Factory starter kit. This is Yoyo Factory 1. Yes. Strings, CDs, stickers. I think it's stickers. Multi-tool. There. Bunch of Crucial Ace. What else? No stickers. Yoyo Jam, Yoyo new stickers. What else? Cards. So excited about cards. I wish there's Ryoko Suzuki here. My idol. Ryoko Suzuki. Yoyo Expert logo. Yoyo Expert logo. Ticket. Catalog and trading card checklist. Yes. Strings. It's these strings. Beginner strings, intermediate strings. Cotton. Oh, it's the 50% cotton, 50% polyester white strings. And this is the contest string. I think this is the 100% polyester string. Yes, lubes. It's the lubes. Long spin. I think this is the thin lube. Is it the thin lube? Yeah. But I think it's the thin lube. Oh yeah, that's the thin lube. This is the lube for looping. The thick lube. Yoyo Factor lube. And that's all. So later, can unbox each one by one. Say goodbye, Dave. Dave! Say goodbye, Dave.
Ba 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 na na. Ba 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 na 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 na. Potato, Lika, ni, malo, manika, no, tika, ba, 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 na, na, tika, ba, 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 na, na.
Bye. Later.